Today I'm going to talk about cloud adoption in New Zealand, and the topic I want to touch on is resistance to cloud computing. And there could be a few businesses still out there. If you're watching this, you might have heard about cloud and you're wondering what all the buzz is around public cloud. And it's 2020, so it's been around for quite a while, but there's probably still a lot of businesses that haven't had a chance to dip their toes in the water. And I think the key underlying factor here is that education on public cloud is really important, so people and businesses understand the benefits. And there's quite a few different things that go into the mix as well. So a lot of companies, early on, 2012 onwards, I talked to, they said, oh, is it private, is it secure, is my data safe? And I think a lot of those questions can be answered really easily now, but still a lot of companies, they may have not had some good solid advice yet around privacy and security in the cloud. Another challenge is some companies are locked into long-term contracts with their local IT hosting companies, and so they're sort of, they've hit a brick wall in terms of innovation, they've hit a brick wall in terms of what they can do, and there might be, constrained IT resources, so they can't really have a focus on doing cloud stuff yet. Not understanding cost benefits, it's another factor, and not knowing where to start, and not having a solid partner. And there's quite a few good cloud partners in New Zealand now, and a lack of a culture around being able to innovate. And it might just be because you're a business that's been around for 50 years or 20 years or whatever, and you're just trying to deal with the day to day, and you haven't had a chance to think about how can we innovate, and so that type of thing as well affects it. And I think the thing I'll just leave at the end is basically IT teams and business owners need to work closer together to try and understand what the business problems are trying to solve when they go to the cloud. So I think that's pretty much a summary of it today, and thanks for listening.